Hello everyone, and welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today, we will be discussing a simple and delicious recipe for a morning meal that everyone can enjoy: a nutritious and flavorful eggs. This recipe is perfect for beginners in the world of cooking, and it only requires a few simple ingredients. So, let's get started. First, let's go over the ingredients you will need for this recipe. 1 cup of milk. 2 1 tablespoon of yeast. 3 1/2 cup of sugars. 4 1/2 cup of oil. 5 2 large eggs. 6 2 cups of flour. 7 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's move on to the cooking process. Step 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine the milk, yeast, sugars, and oil. Stir everything together until the sugar has dissolved. Step 2. Next, crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk them together with the milk mixture. This will help the eggs cook more evenly and create a smooth, runny yolk. Step 3. In a separate bowl, mix together the flour, sesame seeds, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Make sure to stir everything together until the flour is evenly distributed. Step 4. Now, pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Mix everything together until you have a smooth and lump-free batter. Make sure to scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl as needed. Step 5. Gently pour the batter into a greased loaf pan or griddle. Make sure to spread the batter out evenly, so that the bread has equal chances of getting crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Step 6. Let the bread cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until it has reached your desired level of crispiness. You can use a toothpick to check if the bread is cooked through by inserting it into the center of the bread. If it comes out clean, your bread is ready to remove from the pan. Let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Step 7. Once the bread is cooked, use a spatula to carefully transfer it to a plate or serving board. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious eggs and bread breakfast that is sure to energize and satisfy you throughout the morning. Enjoy!